Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariel and today I'm going to show you how I do my eyelashes. I'm on my way out the door. I got myself ready. Now I'm going to put on my eyelashes and I wanted to show you guys how I do that. So let's just jump right in. So the lashes that I use are from B&Q. I ordered these from Amazon. This is what they look like. I don't know how it's coming on camera. The ones that I get are the 40D individual lashes, the lengths 9 through 16, and you get 280 pieces. I typically stick with like 13s, 12s, 11, 10s, and 9s. So as you can see, I'm running kind of low. The glue that I use is the Kiss Falscara glue. It's got the bond and the seal. This is what it looks like. I don't know how it's coming on screen. And this is what the bond and seal looks like. What? Hold on, y'all. That's not, look at what it did. It's not supposed to be like that. Hold on. But this is what the seal looks like. This is what the bond looks like too. It looks like a small mascara wand. Yay, okay, it went back on. False alarm. So this is what the bond looks like. It just looks like a little black mascara wand. For the remover, I use the Kiss Falscara remover. Running low on that too. So let's just jump right into it. You really don't need to like do anything with your lashes. If you want to curl them, my lashes are straight, but I don't find it necessary to even curl them. I don't put any mascara on. I just go in without any makeup on. I do, however, use a handheld mirror so I can hold it at an angle where I can see under my lash line. So the first thing you're going to do is go in with the bond and you're going to focus on the roots of your lashes and just put it on the roots. I do typically like to take my lashes off at the end of the day, but if you're someone who wants to keep them on for a few days or a week, you can definitely get that type of wear out of this adhesive. If you do that, I would suggest applying it to the to your entire lash like you're applying mascara, because it will really keep your eyelash extensions intact. They will not move. You can take a shower with them on. They will stay put, but because I like to take mine off at the end of the day, I only focus on applying it at the root of my lash, and that works for me just fine. I have no issues taking them off. Now that we have that on, next I'm going to go in with my lashes. Like I said, I usually stick with the shorter lengths. I typically like to do a cat eye because I have hooded eyes, so I usually start with 3 clusters of 13s and then I go to 2 clusters of 12s, 2 clusters of 11s, 1 10 and 1 9, and that's pretty much how I do my cat eye. And another great thing about Falscara, the Falscara glue, is you don't have to wait for it to dry a little bit. Like before I was using the Falscara, this, oh, where'd it go? This is what I was using, the Ardell Lash Grip, and it works fine, but like you have to wait for it to dry a little bit, and it's a little bit messier. I find that using the Falscara, it's a faster application and it's less mess. So, and I just stick it to the base. I will say though, if you do get the Falscara, make sure that you are also getting the remover with it, because the first time I used Falscara was probably like a year ago and I did not know anything about the remover. So I used the Falscara, and whenever it came time for me to take the lashes off, I had so much residue left over on my natural lashes and I could not get it off. Like I used other eyelash glue remover that I had and it just did not work. I had so much gunk left over on my eyelashes and I was like, oh hell no, I'm not doing this again. So I threw the whole bottle of the Falscara away, and then I I started seeing, you know, like all of the cluster lashes go viral on, what's that? How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. On TikTok. They weren't using mascara. They were using, like whatever brand lashes they were using, their version of the mascara. And so I said, you know what, let me try it one more time. So I ordered it, and honestly, I'm so glad I did. Whenever I ordered, I specifically looked for the remover to see if there was one, and I found it. So I bought it, and honestly, the remover works so good. It doesn't burn. It leaves your lashes feeling moisturized and conditioned. So I have nothing negative to say about the mascara. Oh, I think I only pay like $10 for the tray, the lash tray. It lasts, and okay, so once you're done applying all your lashes, what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze the extensions. You're going to squeeze the clusters to your natural lashes. This will just help it stick in place a little bit more. Okay. Your eyelashes are going to be sticky. They might stick to your lower lashes. You're going to put it wherever you applied the bond. So for me, I'm just going to focus on the root. And if you have like any little like strands of your natural lashes that you got it on but you don't have a lash on, like the corners, and it's sticking to your lower lash like mine does right over here in this corner, you can swipe it with the seal and it'll make the sticky go away. It makes the sticky go away. It like cures it. So yeah. Now let's do the other eye. Now I'm gonna go in with the seal. I can honestly see why people are switching from getting lash extensions to doing this themselves. It's so much more convenient, and it's way cheaper, and you get, you know, you don't have to sit there for a few hours. And me, I love being able to like really scrub my face in the shower at the end of the day. Like that was one thing I used to hate about having eyelash extensions, because I used to get my lashes done all the time too. I could not stand not being able to like hit my face with a wash rag. You know what I'm saying? Like rub this shit out of my eyes. Like at the end of the day, that's like something that I like to do, and that was so annoying. And on top of that, I always feel like my lashes would look great for like 1 week, and then once you start to lose lashes, it would just drive me insane. So honestly, I can see why people aren't getting their lashes done anymore. We are all done. This is what they look like. Super pretty, super easy, super fast, and super affordable. I will leave the link to all of these products in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them below in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe before leaving. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya!